Hello, my name is Jerry McLaughlin. I'm the manager at Hillcrest House Family Centre in Top of the Hill in Derry on the Waterside. It's called the Family Centre and it is about providing support to families and to women and children and fathers and so on. Well, the Hillcrest House Family Centre is quite an old organisation in terms of community work. It's been going for 30 years now. This is its 30th anniversary. But it started out life, I think, like a lot of organisations at that time, as an old-fashioned voluntary organisation in the sense it was there to provide support or aid to the community. It's a pretty good organisation and has a high reputation for the much work that it's done over the years. The management committee really stepped up to the mark and through their voluntary efforts kept the organisation together, kept the resources together until such times as we could start to build our way out of that. And since I've been there as manager, that's what we've been doing. We have a number of volunteers working with us. We have a very good volunteer base. Unfortunately, staff-wise, we're down to 2 full-time paid staff at the moment. But we have voluntary people there that represent all types and parts of the community, and they're the salt of the earth in many ways, but they're also very real, people that bring their real attitudes with them. Well, CLP has brought to our group a focus on where we're coming from and where we're trying to get to. And by focusing on the issues of leadership, we began to look at the different types of leadership that people can exercise. Well, I would hope that in a number of years' time, we will see in Hillcrest House a very vibrant community organisation that is using the premises on a regular basis, and we've expanded our premises recently to we're now in the process of developing our family and childcare centre. But I would like to say to the community in the Top of the Hill area that we are here to provide a vehicle for you to identify your needs and to see ways that we can deliver them. And I would ask you to come down, get involved with what we're doing, tell us what we're not doing that we should be doing, or even better, tell us what we are doing that we shouldn't be doing. But allow us to work with you to develop a Hillcrest House that you really feel part of and feel ownership of and feel that it's a useful addition to your community.